Imagine a world where the surface is no longer safe. Nuclear fallout, pandemics, or environmental collapse forces humanity underground. Could we survive? Would we thrive? Or crumble under pressure? This is science spectacle. And here's what would happen if we had to live underground forever. How would we power our bunkers? What would we eat? And could we keep our minds intact in the dark depths of the earth? Let's find out. Today, billionaires are already investing in underground bunkers to survive potential apocalypses. These structures are designed to endure everything from nuclear disasters to asteroid impacts. But surviving underground long-term? That's a whole different challenge. Let's start with power. Solar panels sound like an obvious choice. But in a world-ending event, the sun might be blocked by ash or debris, making solar energy unreliable. Instead, we'd turn to geothermal energy, extracting heat from deep within the Earth's crust. By tapping into underground heat and water, we could generate a steady power supply for our bunkers. Next, water. Collecting rainwater wouldn't be an option, so we'd need to dig down to access underground aquifers. But this water would need to be purified to avoid contamination, and careful engineering would be required to prevent flooding. As for food, non-perishable supplies like canned goods could sustain us for a while, but eventually, we'd need to grow our own. Hydroponic systems, where plants grow without soil, could allow us to cultivate vegetables and fruits. To keep things sustainable, some bunkers might even bring along livestock for protein. It's not just a bunker anymore, it's a self-sustaining underground farm. And then there's the problem no one likes to talk about: waste. Letting our waste pile up could lead to disease, but with proper composting systems, it could actually help us grow more food. Yes, our waste could fertilize the plants we'd rely on to survive. As long as we have a solid ventilation system, we'd keep the air breathable and the bunker clean. But the biggest challenge might not be physical, it's psychological. Without sunlight, we wouldn't get enough vitamin D, leading to depression, irritability, and fatigue. Add to that the stress of being confined in a small space with the same people, and things could turn ugly fast. To counter this, we'd need artificial UV light systems to replicate sunlight and keep our mental health in check. Social activities and carefully designed living spaces could also help stave off cabin fever. Living underground is technically possible, with the right planning, resources, and technology. But it wouldn't be easy. From finding sustainable energy and food sources to managing our mental health, we'd face challenges at every turn. Still, with human ingenuity and cooperation, it might just be possible to survive, and even thrive, beneath the surface of the Earth. So, what do you think? Could you handle living underground forever? Check out Science Spectacle for more mind-bending scenarios. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.